Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to write Roman number in Google Docs. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in Google Docs. Now to insert Roman number, first of all go to this insert, add to these special characters. And over here you'll find this interface. To insert Roman number, over here on the search bar just write Roman. And over here on the left you'll find these numbers. So to insert these numbers, just click on this and you can see these are inserted over here. Also there are small Roman number over here. You can just click and get them. Also here is character L, C, D. You can combine and make any numbers from here. So in this way we can get capital as well as small Roman numbers from here. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good time.